Ever wonder if accountants have a sense of humor? Well, let me tell you they do. It's a bit calculated. Get ready for some funny accounting jokes that'll balance your mood and audit your smile. You know, they say accountants don't cry. They just appreciate their feelings over time. It's a slow, steady decline in emotional value. And why did the accountant break up with her calculator? She said he was just adding to her problems. Ouch. I guess he didn't factor into her long-term plans. What's an accountant's favorite book? 50 Shades of Grey Ledger. It's full of thrilling entries and suspenseful balancing acts. And what do accountants do when they're stressed? They take it to the spreadsheets? Nothing calms the nerves like a good VLOOKUP. Remember, accountants don't make mistakes. They make adjusting entries. It's all about perspective, right? I once told my accountant a joke about depreciation. He didn't find it very current. I guess the humor had lost its value. But why do accountants make such great detectives? Because they always follow the money. They can uncover any fiscal mystery. Speaking of mysteries, some people say accountants are like magicians. They make your money disappear, but legally. It's a trick called tax season. You definitely know you are an accountant when Excel crashes and you panic more than you would during a fire drill. That unsaved workbook is a true emergency. But why was the accountant always so calm? He had strong internal controls. Nothing gets past him. And here's a classic: accountants never die. They just lose their balance. A bit dark, but financially sound. What's an accountant's favorite exercise? Crunching numbers, of course. It's a full-body workout for the brain. My accountant once told me I needed to be more balanced, so naturally I got a new spreadsheet. Seemed like the logical solution. And how does an accountant flirt? You've got some assets that need proper evaluation. Smooth, right? Absolutely irresistible. And why do they love working with taxes? Because that's where the interest is. Now, let's dive into some real-life client conversations that sound like jokes but probably aren't. Picture this. A client walks in and says, "I Googled tax deductions. Think I qualify for everything." The accountant just sighs and replies, "You also qualify for an audit." Another client asks, "Do you think I'm rich?" The accountant, buried in paperwork, says, "You're rich in paperwork." Then you get the classic question, "What's your hourly rate?" The deadpan answer, "Cheaper than a fine from the IRS." Fair point. How can I reduce my tax bill? Asks another hopeful client. The accountant's advice: try earning less or marrying your accountant. Both are life-changing financial decisions. And the philosophical questions: why does the government take so much in taxes? The accountant's simple truth: because they can count too. It really is just a numbers game. Finally, the one we've all heard. My friend said he deducts everything. The accountant just smiles knowingly and says, "Your friend also calls me during audit season." And there you have it, a little peek into the hilarious world of accounting. It's not all numbers and spreadsheets. There's a lot of humor to be found in the ledgers. If you enjoyed these, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content that adds value to your day. Thanks for watching.